Today we're making the Very Berry Martini, one of the best martinis you'll ever have. Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a Very Berry Martini. So we went to a place called Eddie Merlot's on Valentine's Day, and I ordered a martini. They called it the Berry White Martini, which is pretty clever. But we're going to be calling it the Very Berry. But yeah, it's delicious. So, all right. So this is how we make our version.
Yeah, it's not exact, but it's going to be as close as we can get to replicating what they did. I'm going to start it out with vodka. This is blue raspberry. It's not from Russia. All right, this is made in Sweden, and it's a very good flavored vodka.
I have ice in here already.
Yeah, we got a shaker filled with ice, and then we're going to go ahead and start pouring our first part. And there we go. There is first shot vodka.
I'm going to do a Smirnoff strawberry vodka.
Not from Russia.
Not from Russia. It's actually made in the United States of America.
Yes.
There's one shot of that.
I should have said earlier, we're making it double. So, but we'll have the halved recipe in the description below. Show you how to make it for one drink. Next up, we're going to use Patron Triple Sec orange liquor. Very good orange flavored liquor. Not from Russia. One shot.
All right, and we're gonna top it off with sweet and sour. I got this from Myers.
Any grocery store is gonna have it.
Any kind of not triple sec, sorry, sweet and sour. So I'm gonna add 2 shots of this. There's 2, or 2 ounces. You ready to shake it?
Do it. She's shaking it.
All right, that looks good. Now, martinis do not have ice in them, so we're going to strain them. We got a strainer here. I got these awesome glasses at the liquor store the other day. They don't break.
Nope. That's important when you have kids.
Yes. Well, whoops, yours is short, but close enough. So I'm going to garnish it with the strawberry. I'm just going to cut down the middle of the strawberry and just put it on the side. And do the same with the other drink.
And we're gonna put in some berries. So I'm gonna drop in about 5 berries into each drink for garnish and flavor if you want to eat them.
All right.
And boom, there is the Very Berry Martini. Zoom in on that, Hayden.
Get it? Berries.
Oh yeah.
You got strawberries and blueberries.
Yes.
All right.
All right. Let's have a sip.
Oh yeah.
That is one of the best martinis you're gonna have.
It's really good.
Very good.
Yeah. They'll get you.
This
is why we drink.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Make this at home. Super easy. 4 ingredients. Garnish if you want to. You don't have to. It's a great drink.
Yes.
All right, guys. We'll see you next week.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.